Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're glad you're here to explore beautiful DIY ideas and creative decor tips. Be sure to subscribe to stay updated with our latest projects and tutorials. Join our community and get inspired to craft amazing decor for your home. Thanks for visiting. Today, we're showcasing an elegant wooden phone docking station designed to blend functionality with style. Crafted from high-quality wood, this dock provides a sturdy base for your phone while adding a natural touch to your space. This docking station features a sleek night ring, perfect for bedside use. The night ring emits a soft glow, making it easy to locate your phone in the dark. Its minimalist design complements any bedroom decor, bringing both convenience and aesthetic appeal to your nightstand. The night ring integrated into the dock is adjustable, allowing you to customize the brightness. Whether you want a subtle glow or a brighter light, this feature enhances your user experience. It's perfect for waking up gently or checking your phone without disturbing your partner. Overall, this wood phone docking station with a night ring embodies style, practicality, and eco-consciousness. It's a perfect accessory for modern homes looking for elegant, functional decor. Elevate your space with this beautifully crafted piece that combines technology and artistry seamlessly.